I'm very much looking forward to working with educators in Vermont again in June. We'll be particularly thinking about leadership issues, leadership at every level, at the state level, the district level, the school level, the teacher level in terms of teacher leadership. More and more leadership now depends on us all being leaders in some way or another. Particularly, I'll be introducing the idea of something called leading from the middle. Leading from the middle is not about driving things from the top and getting people to comply below, or hoping that things will emerge from the bottom, because if you wait for that, they'll emerge in some places and not others, and will not benefit everyone. But to think really deliberately instead about leading from the middle with groups of people within and across their schools, leading changes in curriculum, in assessment, in pedagogy, in well-being and social and emotional learning that will benefit all their students. The middle never gets a lot of positive attention, but the middle is also the center, the core, the heart, the spine of what we do. And if we think of leading from the middle, people who are close to the practice and leading together will make better changes for all the kids that we help.